So we're going to be hiking the Niagara Glen Nature Reserve, Niagara Parks. Okay, we're here at Niagara Gorge. These are stairs that we need to climb down. Pretty wild. And there's a big sign saying, keep away from the water. Very dangerous. So we're going to check out this area. Rah, rah, rah. Simply beautiful trail. Actually, this is the first time I've done this trail. Do a lot of climbing here. There we go. Oh, it looks like some people down there. Oh, this is awesome. Awesome trail. So let's just follow this trail, see what we got here. Darling, what do you think? How do you like it?
I think it's pretty cool.
Ooh.
Careful.
Yeah, never walk backwards as I did, because that's what happens. So, anyway, let's check it out. Got this beautiful trail system. Let's take a look. We've been seeing some people carry pads for safety pads for bouldering, and this is the spot if you're going to start climbing and bouldering for sure. We just managed to get a little bouldering in. Down by the Niagara River. What a powerful sight. That water is really moving. Beautiful. What a lovely autumn day. Water's really moving. Tremendous sight. Incredible. Simply incredible. You can feel the power. Simply awesome. Let's continue on with the day. I love it. Some trail markers. Gorgeous. Marking the trail here. The almighty Niagara River. Gorgeous. Look at that go. The power is amazing. Niagara River. Simply gorgeous. out the trail. I'm telling you, you'll have a great time. It's simply a beautiful, beautiful trail. The sun's coming out. What an awesome day. Let's continue on this marvelous, powerful trail. Some markers for this beautiful trail. And right here is one of my favorite plants. Wild ginger. Wild ginger. We're now heading on the way back. What a complete different scenery heading up the trail. Actually heading back on the ascent. It's just simply gorgeous. We have some bouldering going on there. That's called bouldering. Okay, what do we got happening here?
This was just foot fetish here. It's a V3. It was a pretty fun climb.
Cool.
Try it out.
And it's bouldering.
Bouldering, yeah, Niagara Glen.
Very cool.
Yeah, man.
And you got a mat right
You
there.
only wear them for like...
So those are climbing shoes, eh?
Yeah.
Right on.
So
So you got to bring your boots and you change.
Basically.
All right, man. Here we go. Some bouldering down in the Niagara Gorge.
Here we go.
Right on. What class is this?
This is a V3.
A V3.
Yeah.
Looking pretty good. Bravo! Right on. Take care. We got some more bouldering happening here in the Niagara Gorge. This is a V6. There's got some spotters. We got some mats going, and he's looking pretty good.
That's it. Come on, come on. Got this. Sit. Pull hard, pull hard, pull hard. Go for it. Poke it out, poke it out.
Fuck! Good attempt. And we have Olga here doing a little bouldering.
I've never done it before.
She's never done it before, but she's going to check it out. We don't have a mat, so we're not going to get off the ground very far, but yeah, she's a natural.
Oh, I don't think I can continue.
All right, wow. Very good, very cool. Good tech. Okay, we're heading back and we're heading up. So as you can see right here, it's taking us back to where we started. Well marked out. And if you want to go down the trail, there you go. Follow the red. Very well marked out also. And it branches off to all sorts of trail systems. Well marked out trail, as I stated. Heading back up. And what a trail that was. So we made a loop. We're coming back to the stairs. We saw the Niagara River, some bouldering. Check it out. It's a great trail on Niagara.